Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to import a file from Photoshop into Premiere. Let's begin! Let's start. Double-click Import Media to start. In the Import dialog, select Photoshop Data and click the Open button. Click here and select Sequence. Select the layers you want to import. Click the OK button. Then a folder is created in the Project panel. Double-click the sequence already in the folder. After that, the sequence will be added to the Timeline panel. Similarly, the Program Monitor will display the Photoshop data. Next, let's import the Photoshop file as individual layers. Open Photoshop Data as before and select Individual Layer. Select the layer to import. Select Layer Size for the footage dimensions. Click the OK button to proceed to import. Then the selected layer is added to the Project panel. We have finished importing a Photoshop file. Wasn't that quick? How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.